Fabrication.
Hey there, hi there, ho there, hello there. My name is Adam. This is Randutsky. Here with me at my shop, Kaputy Inc. Welcome back to the channel. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you've been here before. You want to get those notifications. Today's project, we've got this old ass pedal car. It's 19, I don't fucking know, made by who gives a shit. Let's get into it. There we go. Alright, here's our pedal car. These are the old wheels and tires. They're hard rubber, they're worn out, they're bent. They don't have any bearings in them anymore, so they're Deckard, right? We got some new ones for the front. Got a little racing slick action here. That's bearing on there. Same with this one for the back. We've got a little bit bigger tire. It's the same width, a little narrow profile, but it'll still look cool. We've already got this bolted to this wheel. I've done some of the work here already. I planned on doing it for the channel here, but managed to lose the footage, so let's just make it cool. So first things first, we're going to kind of get it laid out here. I've already figured out what to do for the steering here. I took a 5/8 bolt and I drilled the center of it to 3/8, which is how big these stubs are. And then I'll cut this axle down. I've already done it on this side, and shove it on there, and we'll add a little weld, and that'll give us the size we need for the front tires. The back, we just got to add a little something to add some bearings. So let's get to it. Alright, we got our board out, like your ex-girlfriend, junior year of college. Anyways, we'll get that set the same distance from the bend to the edge there, same here. I don't know if you can see these. They're a little Forrest Whitaker lazy-eyed. Well, he doesn't really have a lazy eye, he's got like a limp eye thing going on. Like I should talk with these squinty fucking eyes. Anyways, it's a little off. Right now this one's pretty straight and parallel with the front bar, and this one we got kick to her. So we'll just get on there with the torch and make things right again. Make sure our steering wheel's properly aligned. Yeah, I'm not really sure which one's messed up. Steering wheel, you'd think you'd want it to sit. Maybe it doesn't, I don't know. Probably there straight up enough. Anyways, we'll get them tacked on there, welded on there, and we'll have our front wheels installed. Got our spindles all set up there. We'll have to do a little alignment. We'll take a little turn in, put a little wedge out, you know, real good. This thing will run real good all day here at Daytona coming up. So, got that. Now we'll start setting up the back axle. Found me a piece of strap here. That's gonna fit from here to here, so we're gonna get this cut down, drilled out, get our rear axle mounted there. We got ourselves an emergency, something we need to get fixed, ASAP. Ooh, we got an Elsa bike, and a bell we gotta get put on. fully functional pedal car. We gotta put the back brace back on, the upper seat brace here. This fits on the back of the seat behind here. But before we do that, I want to get some dimple die working on this thing, add a little style to it. The same with the chain guard here. We're gonna add a little style to that. And let's get to the fun part. Shows up pretty good on camera right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and land some whatever size dimple dies along there, give it a little style. All right, we're going to lay a pattern out for the seat here. These, I don't know if they held upholstery on, you can see them. We're gonna strategically try and 86 those, so first things first, we'll set those up. We'll do 1 3/4 inches, just like we did for the center of this here, kind of keep things symmetrical, if you will. Went to the hardware store, got that good some stainless hardware. So get this sucker put together for the last time. Alright, up next here, the steering's a little funky. It's the last thing we got to take care of. So I think I put this collar on this wheel here, I just noticed, so we'll do that. Woo, that was hard. Anyways, we'll get the steering straight. What I'm going to do is lay it up like this, and that should, for the most part, tell me which wheel is funky and which I had already done here. And when this one's laying flat on the table, the steering wheel is the bar in the middle, straight up and down. At no point in time is it going to be side to side like you would think you'd see in a normal car. This one, it doesn't put in that position, so this must be the one that's bent. So what we're going to do, oh, I got it. Look at this. This one's pretty much 90, the steering knuckle, and this one is way off in left field, like somebody who spent a little too much time in their mom's basement and only used one hand. So we're going to straighten this one out, and we should have it done dizzle. Here it is, ladies and gents, the Hog Hill Hustler. Well, that's going to do it for this edition of Pimp My Toy. Sorry Magic Mike wasn't here to put a subwoofer on the back of it like on MTV, but we'll survive, I guess. Probably put this sucker up for sale. The old Hog Hill Hustler here on the old Craigslist, maybe the Facebook Marketplace, so I can have people message me at 2 in the morning and tell me it's not worth what I'm asking. That's always a fun game. Maybe they'll try and trade me like a broken Sawzall. That'd be sweet. I need 2. It's going to take 2 to get this puppy. You saw us put new wheels, new bearings. Everything's roller bearings now instead of the plastic guides. Did some dimple die work, so that's pretty sweet. I think that turned out pretty good. Just need some in-striping. Put stainless hardware on there. Every place we took some off, so no expenses spared there. Hope you liked the video. If you do, please like it. That's how we get popular. Please subscribe. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook. And see you on the next one.